The radiant shield. Vitamin E's role in sun defense. Imagine a vibrant tapestry, intricately woven with delicate threads representing the collagen and elastin fibers that give our skin its youthful firmness and elasticity. Now, picture the sun's relentless rays as tiny but persistent invaders, bombarding this tapestry day after day, threatening to fray the threads and fade the vibrant colors. Our skin, constantly exposed to this environmental assault, needs a powerful defense mechanism to protect its integrity. Enter vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that acts like a dedicated guardian, diligently working to neutralize the damaging effects of the sun and preserve the skin's radiant beauty. This isn't a superficial claim about a trendy skincare ingredient. It's a deep dive into the scientifically validated relationship between vitamin E and sun damage protection. We'll unravel the complex mechanisms through which this remarkable vitamin exerts its protective effects, explore the different forms of vitamin E, discover where to find it, understand its synergistic relationship with other sun protective agents, and integrate it into the broader context of comprehensive sun safety. Prepare to embark on an illuminating journey into the science of vitamin E and its crucial role in shielding our skin from the sun's harmful embrace. The multifaceted protector. Understanding vitamin E. Vitamin E is not a single compound but rather a group of 8 fat-soluble antioxidants, with alpha-tocopherol being the most biologically active and abundant form in the human body. These powerful antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, including skin cells. Free radicals are generated by various environmental stressors, with ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun being a major culprit. Think of vitamin E as a skilled interceptor, patrolling the skin's cellular landscape and disarming harmful free radicals before they can wreak havoc on vital structures like collagen, elastin, and cell membranes. It acts as a crucial component of the skin's natural defense system against oxidative stress. The sun's double-edged sword. Understanding UV radiation and skin damage. The sun, while essential for life, emits various types of radiation, including ultraviolet, UV, radiation, which can have significant effects on our skin. The two main types of UV radiation that reach the Earth's surface and impact our skin are UVA, ultraviolet A. These long-wave UV rays penetrate deep into the dermis, the second layer of the skin. UVA radiation is primarily associated with premature skin aging, including wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and the development of sunspots. It can also indirectly damage DNA and contribute to skin cancer risk. Think of UVA rays as silent, deep-penetrating attackers that gradually erode the skin's structural integrity. UVB, ultraviolet B. These short-wave UV rays primarily affect the epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. UVB radiation is the main cause of sunburn, tanning, and plays a significant role in the development of skin cancer, including melanoma. Think of UVB rays as more direct and intense attackers that cause immediate visible damage to the skin's surface. Both UVA and UVB radiation induce the formation of free radicals in the skin. This oxidative stress triggers a cascade of damaging events, including collagen and elastin degradation. Free radicals can damage collagen and elastin fibers, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and loss of firmness. Imagine the sun's rays weakening and breaking down the threads of our skin's vibrant tapestry. DNA damage. UV radiation can directly damage the DNA within skin cells, increasing the risk of mutations that can lead to skin cancer. Think of the sun's rays scrambling the genetic code of our skin cells. Inflammation and redness. Sunburn is an acute inflammatory response to UVB radiation, characterized by redness, pain, and sometimes blistering. Free radicals contribute to this inflammatory process. Imagine the sun's rays igniting an inflammatory fire on the skin's surface. Impaired skin barrier function. Chronic sun exposure can compromise the skin's natural barrier function, making it more susceptible to dryness, irritation, and infection. Imagine the sun weakening the outer walls of our skin's protective fortress. Vitamin E's protective mechanisms. How it shields the skin. Vitamin E, with its potent antioxidant properties, plays a crucial role in mitigating the damaging effects of sun exposure through several key mechanisms. Neutralizing free radicals. As a primary antioxidant in the skin, vitamin E readily donates electrons to unstable free radicals generated by UV radiation, effectively neutralizing them and preventing them from damaging cellular components. Think of vitamin E as a selfless defender, sacrificing its own electrons to stabilize the harmful invaders. Protecting cell membranes. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin and is particularly effective at protecting cell membranes, which are composed of lipids, fats, from oxidative damage. This helps maintain the integrity and function of skin cells. Imagine vitamin E as a shield embedded within the cell membranes, deflecting the attacks of free radicals. Reducing inflammation. Vitamin E has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to soothe sun-induced inflammation and redness. It can modulate the production of inflammatory mediators in the skin. Think of vitamin E as a calming balm, soothing the skin after sun exposure. Supporting DNA repair. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E may indirectly support the skin's natural DNA repair mechanisms, helping to minimize the long-term damage caused by UV radiation. Imagine vitamin E clearing away the debris so the skin's repair crews can work more efficiently. Enhancing the effectiveness of sunscreen. Research suggests that vitamin E can work synergistically with sunscreen ingredients to provide enhanced photoprotection. Sunscreens primarily work by absorbing or reflecting UV radiation, while vitamin E neutralizes the free radicals that may still be generated even with sunscreen use. Think of vitamin E as a backup defense system, mopping up any residual damage that the sunscreen might miss. The evidence unveiled. Scientific studies on vitamin E and sun protection. The protective role of vitamin E against sun damage has been investigated in numerous scientific studies, both in vitro, laboratory-based, in vivo, in living organisms, including humans, and in clinical trials. In vitro studies. These studies have consistently demonstrated vitamin E's ability to scavenge free radicals generated by UV radiation in cell cultures. They have also shown that vitamin E can protect cellular components like lipids and DNA from UV-induced damage. Imagine these studies as initial investigations in the lab, confirming vitamin E's antioxidant prowess against simulated sun exposure. In vivo studies, animal models. Studies using animal models have shown that topical or oral administration of vitamin E can reduce sunburn severity, decrease DNA damage, and inhibit the development of skin cancer induced by UV radiation. Imagine these studies as preclinical trials, demonstrating vitamin E's protective effects in living organisms. Human studies. Research in humans has explored the effects of both topical and oral vitamin E on various aspects of sun-induced skin damage. Topical vitamin E. Several studies have shown that topical application of vitamin E can reduce markers of oxidative stress in the skin after UV exposure, decrease sunburn severity, and improve skin barrier function. Some studies have also suggested that topical vitamin E, when combined with vitamin C, can offer enhanced photoprotection compared to either vitamin alone. Imagine these studies as direct investigations on human skin, showing the tangible benefits of applying vitamin E. Oral vitamin E. Studies on oral vitamin E supplementation and sun protection have yielded more mixed results. While oral vitamin E can increase antioxidant levels in the skin, its direct impact on reducing sunburn or preventing skin cancer may be less pronounced compared to topical application or the combined use of topical antioxidants and sunscreen. The distribution of orally ingested vitamin E to the outermost layers of the skin might be less efficient. Imagine these studies as exploring internal fortification, which contributes to overall skin health but might not provide the same immediate shield as topical application. Combination with other antioxidants. A significant body of research highlights the synergistic benefits of using vitamin E in combination with other antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. These antioxidants can work together in a network, where one can help regenerate the other after it has neutralized a free radical, providing more comprehensive and sustained protection against oxidative stress. Imagine vitamin E and vitamin C as a dynamic duo, working in tandem to neutralize and recycle each other for enhanced defense. The importance of comprehensive sun protection. It's crucial to understand that while vitamin E offers valuable protection against sun damage, it is not a substitute for broad-spectrum sunscreen. Sunscreens are the primary line of defense against UV radiation, absorbing or reflecting harmful rays before they can penetrate the skin and generate significant amounts of free radicals. Vitamin E acts as an important secondary defense, neutralizing the free radicals that may still form despite sunscreen use and helping to repair some of the damage that occurs. Think of sunscreen as the main fortress walls, and vitamin E as the internal guard force that deals with any invaders that manage to breach the outer defenses. Where to find vitamin E? Dietary sources and topical application. To harness the protective power of vitamin E, we can obtain it through both our diet and topical skincare products. Dietary sources. Many foods are rich in vitamin E, contributing to overall antioxidant defense, including in the skin. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and peanuts are excellent sources of vitamin E. Vegetable oils. Wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, and almond oil are rich in vitamin E. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collard greens contain some vitamin E. Avocados. This creamy fruit provides a good source of vitamin E. Fortified foods. Some cereals and other foods are fortified with vitamin E. While dietary vitamin E contributes to overall skin health, the concentration that reaches the outermost layers of the skin may not be as high as with topical application. Topical vitamin E. Vitamin E is a common ingredient in various skincare products, including sunscreens. Many sunscreens incorporate vitamin E for its antioxidant benefits and to help counteract free radical formation from UV exposure. Moisturizers. Vitamin E is often added to moisturizers to provide antioxidant protection and support skin barrier function. Serums. Concentrated vitamin E serums can deliver a higher dose of the antioxidant directly to the skin. Oils. Pure vitamin E oil or oils rich in vitamin E can be applied topically. When choosing topical vitamin E products, look for alpha-tocopherol or tocopherol acetate, a more stable ester form that converts to alpha-tocopherol in the skin, listed as an ingredient. The concentration of vitamin E can vary between products. The synergistic power. Vitamin E and other sun protective agents. As mentioned earlier, vitamin E often works synergistically with other antioxidants and sun protective ingredients to provide enhanced benefits. Vitamin C. When combined, vitamins E and C can offer a powerful antioxidant duo. Vitamin C is a water-soluble antioxidant that primarily works inside cells, while vitamin E is fat-soluble and protects cell membranes. They can also help regenerate each other, extending their antioxidant capacity. Ferulic acid. This plant-derived antioxidant can stabilize and enhance the effectiveness of both vitamin E and vitamin C, providing even greater protection against UV-induced damage. Sunscreen filters. Vitamin E can complement the UV-absorbing or reflecting properties of sunscreen filters by neutralizing the free radicals that may still be generated upon UV exposure. Niacinamide, vitamin B3. This versatile ingredient can help improve skin barrier function, reduce inflammation, and may enhance the antioxidant effects of vitamin E. The combination of these ingredients in skincare formulations can offer more comprehensive protection against the multifaceted damage caused by sun exposure. The story of Anya. Finding her sun-safe routine. Let's consider the story of Anya, who loved spending time outdoors but was increasingly concerned about the effects of the sun on her skin. She noticed fine lines appearing and her skin felt less supple after sun exposure, even when she used sunscreen. Anya decided to research ways to enhance her sun protection routine. She learned about the importance of antioxidants and the role of vitamin E. She started incorporating foods rich in vitamin E into her diet, such as almonds and avocados. She also added a serum containing both vitamin E and vitamin C to her morning skincare routine, applying it before her broad-spectrum sunscreen. Over time, Anya noticed a difference in her skin. It felt more resilient after sun exposure, and the appearance of new fine lines seemed to slow down. While she still experienced some tanning, her skin didn't feel as stressed or damaged as it had before. Anya realized that a comprehensive approach to sun protection, including sunscreen and topical antioxidants like vitamin E, was crucial for maintaining healthy and youthful-looking skin. Anya's experience highlights the value of integrating vitamin E into a well-rounded sun protection strategy. The takeaway. Vitamin E is a key component of sun defense. In conclusion, vitamin E, particularly alpha-tocopherol, is a potent antioxidant that plays a significant role in protecting the skin from sun damage. It neutralizes free radicals generated by UV radiation, protects cell membranes, reduces inflammation, and may enhance the effectiveness of sunscreen. Scientific studies support the benefits of topical vitamin E in mitigating the damaging effects of sun exposure. While dietary vitamin E contributes to overall skin health, topical application can deliver a more direct antioxidant effect to the skin. For optimal sun protection, Vitamin E should be used as part of a strategy that includes regular use of broad-spectrum sunscreen, seeking shade, wearing protective clothing, and avoiding peak sun hours. The synergistic effects of vitamin E when combined with other antioxidants like vitamin C and ferulic acid can further enhance its protective benefits. By understanding the science behind vitamin E and incorporating it into our sun protection routines, we can better shield our skin from the harmful effects of the sun and maintain its health and radiance for years to come.